How, guys? No, 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 guys. How? Yo, I am angry now. Bengijabulile when I saw the results. They were the game was 0-0. But after I saw that clip of Ashley Dupreez missing a clear goal chance, wow, what is that? UMduduzi Shabalala and Mfundo Vilakazi combine well or create a chance for Ashley Dupreez with no goalkeeper, just him and the pole. Not even penalty spots, no, even closer. But Ashley Dupreez managed to miss. That goal was 90% to score. In fact, 98% to score. In fact, 99%, 99.9% to score. And just 1% to miss. But he just missed it. How long Ashley Dupreez somxolela bafethu? Can you please tell me? Because if that was Ranga Chivaviro or Umduduzi Shabalala or who else konje aba-Enimzonda abama-Fene Chiefs or as umthetho ubuzozwa ngabe kugcwele lonke izwe njengamanje umthetho miss the golden opportunity because it's Ashley Dupreez kuthula akushiwo lutho. Why? Guys, please stop supporting players. Start supporting the team. Because Ashley Dupreez, if sikhuluma iqiniso, he's been costing us a lot. And this time, wow. Guys, sacela niyibonele nini clip because wow, I'm disappointed. I am disappointed. Yo, look at the clip. Look, guys, look. Look at Ashley Dupreez missing the goal. Bro, what? Come on. Come on, Buffett. Look at that. Yo. You can't miss that, bro. You can't miss that chance, bro. You can't. You... Anyway, guys, you can comment down below with this mess. This is a mess. This is a disgrace. Yo. This is yo. I don't know how to call it, but this is udoti, straight. How can Ashley Dupreez miss this chance? Comment down below, guys, and tell me what do you think about Ashley Dupreez. What is that? Oh my God. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please. Fuck!